Dr. Daniel Bronstein with the Tullius Chiropractic Center in Grover Beach, California, and this is the Bronstein Chiropractic Minute. Today we're going to talk about movement and why it's so important for brain development and proper brain health. These joints, these big joints in your body, are all responsible for sending information up to your brain about your body and what it's doing under gravity, your body's position in space. You have big muscles that are attached in each of these joints that help create levers. In order to move my elbow like I'm moving right now, I have muscles contracting and relaxing, and this sends a very specific amount of information up to the cerebellum first, which is the little brain right down here, and then across through the thalamus into the cortex. This movement is fuel for the brain. When things don't move, the brain can't get fuel, and consequently the brain starts to suffer certain types of issues with communication. Ultimately, if one side of the body is moving a little bit less than the other side of the body, we see imbalances occur in the cortex and also in the cerebellum, in addition to some other nervous system structures. Therefore, it is vitally important that when you do movements, any kind of exercise, running, you're enabling both sides of your body, you're enabling both sides symmetrically and allowing your body to maintain balance. Where chiropractic comes in is to mobilize the joints in your body that are often overlooked, those spinal joints. It's very easy, through emotional stress, chemical stress, or physical stress, for these joints to lock up to protect the nervous system, to protect the spinal cord and all the peripheral nerves that come out of either side. There are very small muscles positioned in between each of these joints. There are also some inert ligaments as well, and when these muscles do not stretch or fire, they prevent information from getting to the spinal cord and up to the brain for health. This is chiropractic in a nutshell. Chiropractic mobilizes all of those joints to mitigate the effects of environmental stress, to fire the cerebellum and the cortex, to keep all the input-output from your nervous system nice and symmetrical, and to keep your brain firing appropriately. When your brain is firing appropriately, you can be as healthy as possible and maximize your potential. Chiropractors are the only healthcare professionals on the planet who are trained specifically to look for these locked up joints, specifically called subluxations, to allow your brain and nervous system to function to its optimal. I recommend that you come and see us in our office. We'll show you what we can do. We'll show you what your body is capable of when your nervous system is functioning to its optimum, and we'll look forward to seeing you. For more information, you can call our office at 805-481-1566, and we'll see you here. My name is Dr. Daniel Bronstein, and that has been the Bronstein Chiropractic Minute.